Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Telegram app crashing on Android. For that, the first thing that you can do is try force closing the app by heading over to your app drawer and swiping up to force close it. You can also head over to your device's settings and then clear storage and cache of Telegram. The third thing that you can try is head over to Play Store. Look for Telegram. If there are any updates, update Telegram and try opening the app to see if that helps. So if you have any proxies or VPNs enabled, make sure to delete them. The final thing that you can try doing is uninstalling and reinstalling the app. For that, look for Telegram, hit uninstall and then reinstall it from Play Store. Sometimes you may also need to update your Android system. For that, you can head over to settings, scroll down, tap on system, and then tap on system updates, and if there are any updates, hit update and see if that helps. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.